is some people out there saying that KMAN 6 is frustrated and he wants to leave and start over new. I've been told him that the best thing for him right now is to leave Trinidad and go somewhere else and start over fresh. You understand? You can still have your friends then, you can still, you understand, but you have to make certain decisions. Now, 6 Dan being arrested, I got the video right here, and I just cut out the video part to show. Now, the police, listen, they came out to get him. And if you notice in the full video, which is floating around on the internet, I do have it, there was a whole bunch of females there. And it seems like these girls were defending them, same like in Jamaica, when certain things go on and you see the woman them come out all naked and jump in front of the police them. And them thing that, and you know, it's so sad that we have our community and these guys are destroying it and killing each other, and they have all this support. And what makes it even worse and crazier is that killings and murder and all sort of thing is going on in those community and in our communities, and we expect the law enforcement to come in there and deal with it, but at the same time you have people protecting these gangsters. It just doesn't make sense. My mom always tell me, she said that, and I don't want to sound crazy, you know, please, I hope people don't take this crazy, but black people, we have a stigma. We have a stigma on us, and I don't know when we're gonna get out of that mentality. Some people say a slavery, this, that, whatever, I don't know, but we do have a stigma on us, and hopefully we can shake it. With that said, I'm gonna run the video, and I have some interesting things to talk about in this video that I'm telling KMAN and I'm telling John Public. And a lot of people say I don't talk about Prezi and I am a 7. Listen, I talk about Prezi more than I talk about 6 Dan, and the warning went for Prezi 2, and I'm gonna press on. Let's go. Look at this video. That's the police them over there, St. Paul's, bringing 6 Dan. There he is. They're bringing him to the police vehicle. Everybody know they caught him with a Glock on him, and he's going to jail. Now, when I look at this video, a couple of different things. There he is again. Look at him going in the police vehicle. But when I look at this video, a couple of things stood out to me. It's very sad to see a young black man going to jail and labeled as a crime lord. When I see the police then going for him, it saddens me very much, because I am not happy to see a young black man going to prison like that. But I did tell 6 Dan I wanted him to put out a statement. I did want 6 Dan and I want Prezi, and I did ask them to seize and settle. What they failed to realize is, you see, my channel, all sort of people come to my channel. I wouldn't be surprised if the Prime Minister of Trinidad and the Prime Minister of Jamaica is watching my channel. Now, tell the boy, so what I want to know, what happened to West Bank Records? Aren't they stepping up to get 6 Dan out of jail? They're the ones who helped corrupt this young man. Well, that's not a fair statement, but they added to the corruption, because what they did, West Bank came into town and they tried to buy out Prezi and other people, and they didn't go for it. So a lot of the stuff, you see the 2 bars them there, Prezi and 6 bars, I'm gonna ask them to put out a statement. But back to West Bank buy out the whole crew and the whole of Trinidad. Now, I told them, give me 2 weeks, put out a statement. But what I did, I press on with what I was going to do. Now, I want the police them go for Prezi, and I want them go for Sunday and Prezi. Them need to get deal with, especially the boy Sunday. You understand? Now, KMAN 6, what are you going to do? Because I heard there's a second raid and the police are looking for you. Now, I told you, if you need to leave, you can give me a call. My number is right there. You understand? Because there is no way you can feel that what you're doing is legitimized. You sing music, you're in a gang, people getting killed, and you think that is cool. Like I told you, on 6 Dan and Prezi, the whole world is watching, and because the whole world is watching, this thing is gonna play out real serious. Now, Prezi might think America is not watching and England, but let me tell you something. You see, it doesn't matter where you're selling it or what you're doing You see, if it affects American citizens, you're gonna definitely have a problem. You understand? And Prezi, it seems like enough of the man them never school understand certain things. But once American citizen is involved, it's a whole different story. So if you is supplying American citizen, that's a problem, and the US is gonna come for you. Now, I want to send big shout out to the police them. The police them at Trinidad, they did a good job in getting this brother off the street. The police them, when you see all the police them block off the area and deal with the man them case, as a police for work, shut down the place and go for them. KMAN puts out this post, it says everybody hates KMAN because there was 2 attempts on his life and lives were lost because of his music. Now, KMAN, you just realize that life has been lost because of your music. You should have been cut away from that, because right now nothing is going on for the Trinidad movement. The only little movement the Trinidad scene have was Byron Messiah, and if you notice, you don't hear nothing about him anymore. I don't know if he can come back with another hit song like that, but the Trinidad movement is under scrutiny right now. Let's take another look at KMAN post, one of his posts. Now, look at that. It says, my only goal is to make a better life for my family and people surrounding me, or I ended up the suspect. You end up the suspect because you're riding with gangster. KMAN, before you became that hot, they say you were an artist. It's like these people don't have any recollection. Now, that brings me to something that I wanted to talk about. A lot of the comments on the channel, I was taken back by it. And the reason why I was taken back by it, let me see something real quick. Now, look at some of those comments the people then make. Now, they say country rat. They say countryman, you always pick on the seven sides. You only look for the seven. Now, I have a guy who came on Instagram last night and threatened me, say that I'm hiding my face and all sort of things. Now, not one person say, they should stop the war. Only a few people say, good job, countryman. Root them out. Help protect Trinidad and Jamaica. Nobody, only one or two people. Majority of the people were attacking me. No, I've never killed a Trinidadian. I didn't kill Wakadan. I didn't kill the 7-member girl when them come from the club. It was me, you know what I'm saying? Only one person made a comment. So out of every 10 comment, maybe 2 or 3 may be in favor of me. The 7 and 8 comments is for these youngsters, and it is, I've never seen anything like it. These guys are actual urban legends, dog. They are actually celebrities in Trinidad, and this shit is fucking crazy. How can people turn these guys into celebrity after they're killing each other? They're practicing blood sport. These guys are practicing blood sport, killing people. I don't hear not one person come and say, no, condolence to the family, condolence to the 7 gang who died, condolence to Wakadan or whoever. None of that, dog. Everybody is attacking me, countryman, like I flew down to Trinidad and start killing people. They said, oh, I'm on 7 side. No, I'm not on no 7 fucking side, yo. I hate all of them, the fucking bomber ass glad, see him. Now, me I tell a pussy, anybody threaten me or try anything, me I tell them it have to be blood clot, bloody. You understand? Cause one thing, with me, me stay cool, but do not piss me off. Me do some bad blood clot things. Now the pussy where in our Instagram, me tell him, I tell all around him, me no police. Me's a fucking gangster. This is not Sir P. You understand? Me and Sir P want the same thing. But the difference between us, me a gangster, in my blood clot popo, but the two of we are work for the same thing. My take is a little bit different. Yo, me a root out the pussy then. You understand? There is no rest for the blood clot wicked. And that me stand for yo. So who don't like it, bite it, yo. And that's how me feel. Do you guys realize a lot of what I speak on this channel has come to pass? Cause I see a vlogger out there saying KMAN 6 wants to leave Trinidad. Didn't I tell him give me a call? And didn't I say from day one that he needs to leave Trinidad? I said that. Now, I see another vlog post that says, it says KMAN 6 is haunted by the popo. Now, didn't I tell them that I gave them 2 weeks and I was gonna put on the pressure? You understand? Now, me, I am not taking credit for that. But if what I did help get them there, yo, I'll take that credit, cause at least I know one life is safe. Now, KMAN 6, I I see another post that say you have frustration and one will say you want to leave and one will say Popo hunting you. Now, there is an old Jamaican saying that says when trouble take you, picnic shot fit you. When trouble take you, Lord of God, baby shot it out of fit you and picnic shot. Now that's what you're going through, KMAN. There is another saying my mother used to tell me. She said, son, if you want to know who your friends are, play dead or lay them on the roadside and you will know who is your friend. KMAN 6, that's what's going on with you. And I'm going to tell you again, if you need to get out of Trinidad, give me a call and I'm going to scream it out one more time. KMAN 6, if you need to get out of Trinidad, give Countryman a call. Because I think you're a good artist, you have talent and you can reach far. You understand? Now I'm about to shut this video down, but like I said, Prezi, you next, cause a lot of people said I am defending Prezi and I'm not. I am against everything that Prezi is doing in terms when it comes to the violence. It's such a shame. Listen, let me know what you think about this video. And my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video.